Here we have an existing macro that we will run. The macro is complete. But now we will edit our VBA, where we will add a code for a timestamp that will let us know the last time the macro was ran. So now we will go and edit VBA. Now remember, if there is an error, you can always go back and edit your VBA. So now we've made our edits. We will now go back and run our macro. So there is an error, so we'll go back and make our edits. Now remember, each time you make updates to your VBA code, you will need to reset your VBA. So now we will go back and reset our VBA here. Now let's run our macro again. And there is our timestamp.